Podcast, the project of Ivan Ross S. Alngog and Sinjin Joshua M. Talamo. The iPod, frequently used by teens to play music. The iPad, a larger version of the iPod that is touchscreen and you can watch movies and play games using the iPad. The PSP or the PlayStation Portable. It is used especially for gaming purposes, but you can also watch some videos and listen to music. But this isn't what we're talking about. This is the rice husk stove. It is made by Filipinos. It is eco-friendly and much like a charcoal stove, it uses rice husks to produce heat in order to cook food. The Pares. It is a beef, rice, and soup combination invented by a restaurant named Jonas. It was intended to be an affordable meal for taxi drivers. Mito charcoal stove. Invented by a Filipino, the Mito charcoal stove is an energy-saving stove. It uses charcoal to produce heat. Sources. Next. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed our podcast.